we can record unlimited cuts po. This is directly connected here in our POS cashiering site. Automatically po, magde-dispense po yung ating weighing scale ng kung tawagin natin ay sticker printer. Sell with convenience. Here in Bitpos, we provide solution. So in this video, I am going to show you a smart and automated way for your meat shop, frozen products, and other fresh type businesses po. So here, I have my digital weighing scale. I also have here my POS cashiering package for retail, inclusive with my barcode scanner, printer, drawer, keyboard and mouse, and my monitor, and of course, my weighing scale. So, paano ba natin sisimulan yung ating meat shop business? So, we have here a weighing scale. Each dedicated numbers here represents a specific cut or product. In my sample, I have pork menudo, pork adobo, pork chop, pork belly, so on and so forth. How many cuts can we record in our weighing scale? We can record unlimited cuts po. Regardless, it could be a combination of 101, 102, so on and so forth. Of course, this is directly connected here in our POS cashiering site. The moment we scan, automatically makakapag-produce na agad tayo ng weight and total amount. Let me show you how it works. I have my sample product here. So this is a bottled water. Just for example, medyo mabigat po siya. It's made of glass. Tap ko lang po siya dito or ilalagay ko lang dito siya sa weighing scale. Here in the weighing scale side, you can already see the weight. It's 405 grams. The unit price, which is 180 pesos per kilo, at yung total amount niya, which is 72.90. Now, I just tap 1 and then tap print. Automatically po, magde-dispense po yung ating weighing scale ng kung tawagin natin ay sticker printer, which looks like this one. Here in our sticker printer po, makikita natin yung name ng product, yung date and time na na-dispense po siya, and the total amount, which is the same as what we see here under our weighing scale, 72.90 pesos. Now, anong next natin gagawin with this barcode? Automatically, here in our POS cashiering side po, I have it in code mode. Scan lang po natin using our barcode scanner and lalabas na po yung ating price, which is 180 pesos per kilo, the weight of 405 grams, the total amount of 72 pesos and 90 centavo. So we're gonna tender, input the pera of the customer, enter, until mag-print ang ating receipt, and magbukas ang ating cash drawer. So this automation provides you a slick process kung saan pwedeng-pwede po tayo directly here in our weighing scale to our POS cashiering side. Okay? Now, ano yung other advantage from this process aside sa pagpiprint ng resibo, pag-generate ng mga barcode? This also provides you a sleek design for repack items. Kung meron mga repack goods tayo, pwedeng-pwede po nating magamit yung ating weighing scale. Okay? Next, dito sa ating back office interface po, you can already see under our inventory movement reports yung in and out ng ating product. Say for example, for my pork chop, you can see here in my movements yung ating pag-inventory from carcass. You can actually keep track on that one, the in and out of your carcass until pagbibenta ng mga product. And of course, we can also see and keep track pati yung mga reseko. So if you want to know more about this thorough inventory process and selling process for meat shop or any frozen or fresh type of businesses, do not forget to message us in our Facebook page or call us today.